Hello my friends, Habibi here. I will I will duplicate my CCTV camera and place it around this scene, so we have more than one CCTV camera. Of course we need more CCTV cameras to make the CCTV more realistic. Yep. I will disable the lens distortion first, because somehow I find it difficult to adjust the position of my objects in the scene, because we have this distortion effect in the unit editor. I need to disable for a while the lens distortion effect. Okay, we will re-enable it again later. Right now we have it here, and then I'm going to add it somewhere about here. Oh, forgot to set it to global. I know there are CCTV objects here, but I don't want to place the camera exactly on the CCTV object, so I will place it freely without considering where the CCTV objects are. I will just place it here. Rotation. Okay, and let me add two more. Maybe here. Rotate it. And then place it here, also at the corner of this side, but I need to rotate it. Okay. This is fine. And how much do we have? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will add one more here, somewhere here. Maybe I rotate it this way. I need to place it here, guys. Okay guys, I think I'm done, and now let's enable this the intensity of the lens distortion. Okay, let's play the game, guys. Right now I will manually switch between the cameras by disabling and enabling the camera. You see that, guys? we are switching the cameras, and let me switch to this camera and this camera and so on. Where is the guy? I cannot see it. Oh my god, where is he? I cannot see him. Where is he, guys? Later we will name each of the cameras. So, oh, that is the guy. There is the guy. Wait for it until he make turn. Now he should be here. Later he will be visible on this camera. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Before I end the video, let me rename the camera. Each camera should have a name, like TV Cam 1, just something like this. Cam 2, Cam 3, and Cam 4, 5. Let's make it more interesting by not giving them number from 1 to 5. Just let's say randomly we type some number like 005, to make it look like a serious CCTV camera, like a real CCTV camera. And you can do better. This is the idea, and later we will add the name of the camera on the corner of each camera, so you can see the name of the camera on each of this camera when you switch between these cameras. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I will continue the tutorial soon. Bye bye for now.